I lie for you. I think I die for you. Jealousy cry for you. Do things when you want me to. Like controller, controller. Yeah, like controller, controller. Yeah. Okay, you like it when I get aggressive. Tell you to go slower, go faster, like controller, controller.
I'm gonna put these on the front porch. Looks so cute. These are going on the front. Get some sunshine. Will need the sunshine. So I want to show y'all something real quick. Y'all see that I didn't do this. The kids act like they were gonna clean up, and they put all this stuff up here, threw the dishes in the sink, and then they're nowhere to be found. My son's at a concert, and my daughters are, I think they're with friends.
This is Cheryl Pro from the group The Sequence.
But yeah, I just wanted to show y'all this real quick. So when my nephew was here, he kept asking, like, he'll ask everyone, like, oh, can I have an apple, can I have fruit, whatever. And if it weren't, like, if there weren't any fruit in the fridge, he would go in this and he'd do this. Like, didn't get that one. I mean, he's only 3. So I guess, you know, he was just like, I don't know what's going on with these fruit, but they're really hard. I'm gonna just take a bite out of each one. And yeah, he did that. Took a bite out of almost each one of them. And so I gotta buy some more of these. I don't know why he's doing that. I guess he's like, why are those sitting up there? Those are supposed to be real, man. Anyway, let me finish cleaning. I'm mopping. I'm about to mop right now. We'll finish mopping. And then I think I'm gonna clean the basement today. Everything else is clean. Just never gets to that basement. So I'm gonna clean the basement today. We'll see. So I'm taking a break right now because I bumped my nail and it hurts. It's like lifting up now, so I gotta put some glue on and everything. I need to lose stop because I'm mad. I hate when that happens. I wish that we were laying in the same sheets, but lately you've been acting like you hard. Okay, so this is how everything's looking. Y'all know my house tiny, so it's gonna be real quick. So we called and had groceries ordered to the house, and yeah, this is what it's looking like up here. So this is my basement. A mess, a mess, a mess, a mess. See, tell me if you can find the treadmill.